In this tutorial we are going to draw a speaker symbol. Start sch-rnd with an empty sheet. Make sure the grid is at 4K. That is our convention for terminal spacing, so that terminals of different symbols from different sources line up. If not already on, turn on autocompile. Use the hotkey to place two terminals, leaving one grid position empty between them, because the speaker symbol is large with only two terminals. Use the hotkey to invoke the attribute editor over the terminal. The name attribute is automatically selected. Just fill in the desired name. Since this symbol is going to be a polarised speaker, for example usable as a piezo buzzer, best to use P and N instead of numbering terminals. This leaves pin number assignment to other mechanisms like port map or dev map. Start drawing the symbol decoration using the line tool. As a final touch, graphically mark the positive side so that in a view where terminal number is shown instead of terminal name, polarity is still obvious. Select the drawing and use the menu to convert the selection to a symbol. sch-rnd will ask for symbol origin. This will be the 0, 0 point in the symbol's own coordinate system. All objects specified from this point. It's best to pick one of the terminal endpoints for this purpose. Now our independent lines and terminals are converted into a symbol. Grey lines become green because the converter changed pen from sheet decor to symbol decor on them. A refdes floater is also added automatically. Move it to a more convenient spot, preferably using the 4K grid. Select the symbol and copy to buffer using Ctrl-C. Use the menu to save the buffer symbol to a file. Navigate to .sch-rnd/symbol in our home directory. This is the place where per user library lives, with default configuration. Invent a file name and click OK to save the symbol. Quick test. Open the library window, click on the per user library, click refresh because a new symbol has been added there since sch-rnd started. Now the symbol is accessible from the library.